Hi y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. It's coming up this week. It's Tuesday today, but I'm very excited. So I'll wish you all a happy Thanksgiving a couple days early. All right, so I want to just try to get more and more babies. Look at this. More and more babies. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Coming up off the stem. Oh my God. That one's beautiful. This one too, coming up off the stems right here. All right, so these are all my babies from really about the last month. Birds got to a few of them, so they're over here in rehab right now. And more. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, so pretty. All right, so what I want to do is show you some super teeny tiny babies, and we'll do an experiment and see if we can get them to grow a little bit better right now. Hold on. Okay, look at this. Adventures in Succulent Farming. Look at all those little tiny babies right there. Okay, they came from this tray right here. And, I've got to start getting them to grow because they've all been at this stage for, gosh, at least a month or longer. So the only way that I have success with these is when I go ahead and plant them on their own. They just don't seem to be doing well. There's one too right there. That's Gigi, my dog. There's one. There's one. There's one. So, oh gosh, I didn't even notice that. Oh my God. Look. Right there. Oh my God, I didn't notice that. How exciting. That's one of my favorites. Okay, so I'm going to I'll show you what I do when they're at this stage. You just got to treat them with absolute pure love. Like each little baby needs to know that it has its own little pot, its own little space. Because when they're together like this, they don't feel happy to me. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off and I'll set up and show you what I do. Okay, bye. Hi, what I'm going to show you now is how to pot the teeny tiny babies in the little teeny tiny pot. Okay, so they grow. Because what I'm having problems with is getting the teeny tiny baby right here. These, their growth is stunted. And I think it's because they don't have their own home. I know, it sounds silly. But this is the same age as these. So teeny, tiny, bigger, 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 bigger. So the reason I think that these are growing much better is that they have their own little pot of soil in this egg carton. So let me show you what I do to make sure that they all
grow quickly. One thing that's really important is you got to give them all their own little teeny tiny cup of soil. Be careful. But get some good drainage holes. I've showed you guys this before. You can get those cups at Smart and Final, like 300 of them for $3. Okay? Now, what's super important about these teeny tiny babies is super important to bury their root system down below the soil. Okay? That could be part of what's happening, the reason that they're so slow growing right now. And it's okay to do, a couple at a time. The one thing that's kind of important, I think, is to pot similar succulents. Like, you want to put sisters and brothers together. Sisters and sisters, just the same family. Makes them grow a lot faster. I do believe that they really, really understand, who's family, who's not. Because always when I pot some of the succulents that are different varieties, sometimes they don't grow that well. And then I did notice when I began potting same succulents in pots together, they were thriving. So that's really all you need to do. Just do everything you can to give each teeny tiny baby its own place, its own place to grow. And so let's see how these do. I'll give you an update. But again, these babies honestly were the same little babies that I collected from the parent plant as these. So these are all the same age. I just had these in a big tray, in a big plate like this. So I'm going to be very busy. I want to try to get all of these repotted and planted today. Anyway, thank you so much. Happy potting. And remember to love your little babies and succulents, just as much as you can, and then they'll thrive. Like I showed you early in the video.